नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेट्रोलॉजी की यूनिट में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो में मटेरियल साइंस का पार्ट 8 डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। और दोस्तों, आप अगर इस चैनल में नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और साथों साथ बेल आइकन को भी दबा दीजिए ताकि हर एक नया नया अपडेट आपके पास पहुंचते रहे। तो दोस्तों, टाइम वेस्ट न करते हुए चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो दोस्तों, आज का पहला क्वेश्चन है, लोकोमोटिव बॉयलर ट्यूब आर मेड ऑफ डैश एलॉय, कॉपर, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम या निकेल। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन ए, कॉपर। लोकोमोटिव बॉयलर ट्यूब आर मेड ऑफ कॉपर। नेक्स्ट है, जर्मन सिल्वर यूज्ड फॉर डेकोरेटिव पर्पस contain मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज ऑफ सिल्वर, कॉपर, जिंक या निकेल। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी, कॉपर। जर्मन सिल्वर यूज्ड फॉर decorative purpose containing maximum percentage of copper. Next, figure out the wrong statement. Crystal structure of magnesium is ACP, hence room temperature, ductility and cold working is poor. Magnesium alloy are suitable for very high temperature uses greater than 500 degrees centigrade. Yeah, magnesium alloy can be cast by sand, permanent mold and die casting method. Yeah, magnesium alloy are not subjected to wire drawing operation. सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी, मैग्नीशियम एलॉय आर सुइटेबल फॉर एवरी हाई टेम्परेचर यूजेस ग्रेटर देन 500 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। नेक्स्ट है, a prism of brittle material will break in compression by forming a budge by shearing along oblique plane in a direction perpendicular to the application of load या none of these। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी, by shearing along oblique plane। नेक्स्ट है, points of arrest for iron correspond to stages at which further heating does not increase temperature for some time या electropic forms change या properties do not change with change in temperature या none of these। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी, electropic form change। point of arrest for iron correspond to stages at which electropic forms change। Next है, wrought iron is having very high hardness, strength, corrosion resistance या susceptibility to change in its properties by heat treatment। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन सी, corrosion resistant। wrought iron is having very high corrosion resistance। Next, cast iron has very high proximity between its elastic limit and ultimate breaking strength या ductility या tensile strength या D all A B and C। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन M, proximity between its elastic limit and ultimate breaking strength। Cast iron has very high proximity between its elastic limit and ultimate breaking strength। Next, order of surface hardness achieved by nitriding operation is about dash VPN, विकार पिरामिड नंबर 500, 1000, 1500 या 2000। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी, 1000। ऑर्डर ऑफ सरफेस हार्डनेस अचीव्ड बाय नाइट्राइडिंग ऑपरेशन इज अबाउट 1000 VPN। नेक्स्ट है, hardness of upper venite acicular structure is about RC 48, 64, 76 या 88। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, 48। हार्डनेस ऑफ अपर वेनाइट एसिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर इज अबाउट RC 48। नेक्स्ट है, stress reduction is a phenomenon in which the object part are not loaded, stress remains unchanged on increasing load या deformation tends to loosen the joint and product a stress reduction या D none of these। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, deformation tends to loosen loosen the joint and product as stress reduction. Next, recrystallization temperature is the one at which allotropic form change occur. Lattice crystal grow bigger in size. A new spherical crystal first designed to form from the old deformed ones when a strained metal is heated. A crystal first start forming from molten metal when it is cooled. सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन सी. Recrystallization temperature is the one at which new spherical crystal first beginning to form from the old deformation one when a strained metal is heated. Next, hardness of lower Vanite temperature martensite is about RC 40, 57, 65 या 82. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी 57. Hardness of lower Vanite is about RC 57. Next, which of the following is not an alloy of copper and tin? Bell metal, gun metal, Admiralty gun metal या Monel metal. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी Monel metal. Which of the following is not an alloy of copper and tin? सही आंसर है Monel metal. Next, as the impurities are oxides, the melting point of iron decrease, remain unchanged, increase या may increase or decrease unpredictable. सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन सी increase. As the impurities are oxidized, the melting point of iron increase. Next, one Rockwell number is represented by the penetration depth of dash inch on Rockwell C scale 0.08, 0.008, 0008, 0.00008 या 0.8. सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन सी 0.00008. One Rockwell number is represented by the presentation depth of 0.00008 on Rockwell C scale. Next, maximum consumption of zinc is in alloying, galvanizing, utensil manufacture या इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्री. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी galvanizing. Maximum consumption of zinc is in galvanizing. Next, zinc is highly dash at room temperature, ductile, atmospheric, corrosion resistant, malleable या brittle. सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी atmospheric corrosion resistant. Zinc is highly atmospheric corrosion resistance. Next, zinc is not used for producing zinc based die casting alloy in its oxidized form as pigment for paints या as anode for corrosion prevention in boiler या as an alloying element in various zone. सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन डी Zinc is not used as an alloying element in various bronze. Next, the large consumable of zinc for alloy is in the making of bearing metal, brass, brazing solder या die casting alloy. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी brasses. The largest consumption of zinc for alloys is in the making of brasses. Next, figure out the wrong statement. Tin can be readily and very easily drawn into very fine wire. Tin can be severely cold worked without the necessity of annealing due to its low recrystallization temperature. Tin exists in two allotropic form. The predominant use of tin is in the form of coating for steel and copper alloy. सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन ए फिगर आउट द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. टिन कैन बी readily and very easily drawn into very fine wire. Next, which of the following is not an alloy of tin? White bearing metal, pewter type metal, soft solder या जर्मन सिल्वर। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन डी, जर्मन सिल्वर। Which of the following is not an alloy of tin? German silver. Next, tin coating is not done by vaporizing, hot dipping, electro deposition या spraying। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, vaporizing। Tin coating is not done by vaporizing। Next, tin in its pure form is used for making cans for food packing, collapsible tube for toilet preparation या foil for wrapping cheeses या all A, B and C। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन डी, all A, B and C। Tin in its pure form is used for making cans for food packing, collapsible tubes for toilet preparation and foil for wrapping cheeses। Next, among the tin containing alloy dash consume the maximum amount of tin? Solder, white metal, pewter metal या bronze। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, solder। Among the tin containing alloy, solder consume the maximum amount of tin। Next, lead is the hardest metal in common use, is the lightest metal in common use या cannot be scratched by fingernails या cannot be work hardened due to its low crystallization temperature। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, lead cannot be work hardened due to its low crystallization temperature। Next, maximum consumption of lead is in the manufacture of storage batteries, solder alloy, इलेक्ट्रिक केबल सीथिंग या लीड लाइन बेसल। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, स्टोरेज बैटरीज। मैक्सिमम कंजम्पशन ऑफ लीड इज इन द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ स्टोरेज बैटरीज। नेक्स्ट, लीड इज नॉट रेसिस्टेंट टू कोरोशन, यूज एज ए एथोटिक मटेरियल, नॉट यूज एज पिगमेंट इन इट्स कंपाउंड फॉर्म फॉर पेंट्स या यूज्ड एज शॉक absorber in mattress form between the foundation and steel formwork of skyscraper building। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन डी, lead is used as shock absorber in mattress form between the foundation and steel formation framework of skyscraper building। Next, some specific solder alloy may contain little bit 1 to 2% of dash in addition to lead and tin, aluminium, antimony, zinc या copper। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, antimony। Some specific solder alloy may contain little bit 1 to 2% of antimony in addition to lead and tin। Next, a bearing metal should not have enough plasticity, low thermal conductivity, low coefficient of friction या high toughness। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी, low thermal conductivity। A bearing metal should not have low thermal conductivity। Next, presence of 0.3 to 0.5% arsenic in copper increase its ductility, malleability, tenacity and hardness या electrical conductivity। सही आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन सी, tenacity and hardness। presence of 0.3 to 0.5% arsenic in copper increase its tenacity and hardness।